welcome back to my channel. This is Vishakha and I'm back again, and this is a review video.
So I have received this 5 facial kits from Nature's Essence, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use Whitening Pearl facial kit at home. When you open this box, you can see that there are 5 tubes in this box. First one is a D10 therapy wipe off marks for the pre-facial prep, and the other 4 tubes are for the facial. तो फेशियल स्टार्ट करने से पहले we are going to use D10 therapy wipe off mask.
It is a wipe off mask that clear all kind of dent from the deepest layer of the skin, and it is perfect for pre-facial prep that enhances the result of any facial multifold.
So let me tell you the direction for use. You just have to apply a thick layer of D10 therapy wipe off mask over the face and neck, and just leave it for about 15 minutes. After leaving the mask for 15 minutes, the second step is massage the mask into the skin for 2 minutes with a gentle and circular motion. After doing it, wipe off the mask with a wet tissue or cotton. That helps revealing the visibly brighter and glowing skin.
तो अब हम करेंगे फेशियल का फर्स्ट स्टेप, that is cleanser.
First step of Whitening Pearl facial kit, cleanser. Let me tell you how to use it. Sprinkle water on your face and neck. Thereafter, apply the cleanser over your skin and massage gently with your fingertips in upward strokes for about 2 minutes. After that, wash the gel off with water. Your skin is now clean, fresh and ready for step 2.
Now it's the time for step 2, that is scrub. तो इसके लिए हमको अपना स्किन थोड़ा मॉइस्ट करना होगा, तो I'm going to use just water.
Whitening Pearl Scrub is a deep action scrub that lightens and smoothens from within. Let me tell you how to use it. Just apply the scrub in dots over your moist skin and massage gently in upward strokes for about 3 minutes. Dead skin cells are gently exploited, allowing the vitamin E in the scrub to condition your skin and give it a soft and smooth sheen. Your skin is now ready for step 3.
Our third step is lighten. That is a cream.
Whitening Pearl Cream is a pearl enriched cream that leaves your skin visibly fair and more radiant. Let me tell you how to use it. Apply the cream in dot over your skin and then massage it gently over your face and neck with your fingertips for about 10 minutes. Relax as your skin absorbs the gleaming pearls dust in this cream. Your skin is now ready for step 4. So this is our fourth and last step of this facial kit, that is Whitening Pearl Glow Pack, a firming pack that tones your skin for perfect and pearly fairness. Let me tell you how to use it. Apply the pack in the layer over your face and neck. Close the eyes and relax for 15 minutes while the cooling clay in the pack firms and tones your skin. Wash the pack off before it has dried completely and tap your face dry. So finally, the facial is over. Let me show you. This is how my skin looked before doing the facial, and this is how my skin looks after doing the facial. You can clearly differentiate between my before facial face and after facial face, and according to my personal experience, these products and this facial kit actually helps me to detan my skin and give me the natural fair, brightened skin that I always wanted. This Nature's Whitening Pearl facial kit is a 3-use pack at just rupees 260, 80 rupees per facial. Super affordable. Easy to use facial kits for quick facial at home at just 45 minutes.
So what are you waiting for? Grab these facial kits from Nature's Essence and do your facial at home in just 45 minutes.